Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a Spotify widget for your Android phone. So here what you need to do is go to your home screen, and that you need to make sure that you've already installed the Spotify app, and then after that use your fingers to press on the empty area in your home screen, and then it will appear like this on my phone, and then at the bottom just swipe until you find widgets. So just click on that, and there will be lots of options of the apps that install on your phone. You can just scroll down until you find Spotify. Okay, where is it? Okay, here is Spotify. So just click on this widget, and then after that it will be added to your phone like this. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in following videos. Thank you.